Okay, so this is the operation of this saber. When you get it, it'll have the kill key in, and you're gonna have to get access to the inside. So what you do is you're gonna undo the clamp a little bit. We're gonna take off the pommel. And the lower body. When you slide the lower body off, just make sure you're not making contact with anything. The chassis is there and the board. And I made you a kill key that you can grab with your fingers.
Presence I've not felt since.
To use the saber, we're just going to slide the main body back on. Make sure that's tightened up and put the pommel back on. And then I just align the clamp along that crease there, and also along with the vents, and tighten that back up. And then you have your activation button on the top and your auxiliary button on the bottom. And you can get into the menu by holding down the auxiliary button.
Escape is not his plan. I must face him alone.
Reset the chamber of a Skywalker.
The ability to destroy a planet is insignificant next to the power of the Force.
Luke, help me take this mask off. You don't know the power of the dark side.
When you want to select the font, you just hold down the auxiliary button. And that's the operation.